Hey guys, we have a new arrival here. This is the Cougar 355 FBS. It's absolutely awesome. I think it became one of my favorites here, so I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. You're gonna notice that you have two awnings here. You have a huge pass-through storage, course outdoor speakers, and you also have outlets if you wanna go ahead and bring a TV. As we head inside, we are directly in the kitchen, so you have your residential refrigerator there, huge pantry space. Now here's what's really cool, one of my favorite things is you actually have a half bathroom back here. So you have your toilet, sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, and it's so easy to access, especially since the door is right there. So if you have people hanging out with you, you have guests, so easy for them to come in and use the bathroom, and it's kind of hidden away, which is really nice. Now as I turn around, you have your kitchen center island here, 50-50 split sink, built-in storage and drawers. On the other side, you have counter space on each side. What's really cool about this is that you have outlets that can come out, so if you want to put another appliance there, you can do that. More pantry space here as well. 3-burner stove, residential microwave. Moving into the living area, you have your 4K Ultra HD TV. What's really cool, even more storage behind it. You have your electric fireplace. Gonna make it really cozy in here, but also really nice if you want the ambiance. Sofa here that can fold out to a bed, so you can have guests over. And then of course you have your theater seating right in front of the TV right there. Next to it, you have your freestanding dinette, so you can go ahead, move the chairs, and use it however you want. And of course, all these windows here, so you're always gonna have a nice view. Now, heading into the master bedroom here. Very roomy. You have space, cool little storage space up there as well. Electrical outlets to go ahead and charge your phone. Built-in dresser, you have a place where you can hang a TV. More storage if you need it. And then heading into the bathroom here, tons of counter space to get ready in the morning, lots of storage and drawers, shower with a built-in seat there and built-in shelves, so you can go ahead, sit down, especially wash off the long day and just sit there. And this is absolutely awesome, guys. So this is a walk-in closet. Notice how it has him and hers. So you have dressers on each side, you have kind of like a table countertop there on each side. You can hang put your shoes there, so you have a little shoe rack. Here you have your washer and dryer if you want to go ahead and set that up. But it's literally a walk-in closet, and there's just so much space here. All right guys, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. See you guys later.